Omodiagbor math class. Today we're going to be discussing addition and subtraction. In our previous class, we talked about place value system, where we have the units, the tens, and the thousand. Today we're going to talk about how you're going to add them and subtract. How you're going to add. So by the end of this video, you will be able to arrange it properly, since you have the previous knowledge of the tens, units, and thousand. You arrange it properly, then you start from the units, then you borrow. So this is what you are going to learn at the end of this lesson. Now imagine you go to the market and you plan to buy a textbook, or you want to buy a textbook, and that textbook costs 1,005 and the pen costs 1,000 naira. Now if you don't add it very fast, the person selling it to you can cheat you. So today we are going to fix that problem, how to add very fast. Now before we go further, let's talk about the rules we are going to apply to learn this trick to make our calculation be faster. Now one of the rules is that you arrange it very well. You arrange it very well. You must arrange the number very well, and you start from the units. When you are adding, you start from the units. You start from the units, and from the right hand side. So your calculation start from the units. All the calculations start from the units. You start from the right side by adding it. So with this one, we are going to do some solve some examples on the board to explain further on addition and subtraction. Please take your time and relax as we continue. Now let's start with the example number 1. We are adding 2, 4, 7, 8 plus 1, 3, 2, 5. We are adding it. So we're going to write it vertically. So to be 2, 4, 7, 8 plus 1, 3, 2, 5. So we're going to add it. Remember, it's going to be vertical. Now you can see it says unit, tens, thousand. You see, then in order form. So but the addition will start from the unit. Start from the unit from the right hand side. After we have arranged it properly, so we add 8 plus 5 is what? 13. So we write down 3. Now we borrow. We're going to carry the 1. Borrow 1 from here. We add it to the next number. So to be 1 plus 7 is what? 8 plus 2. So this one becomes what? 10. Now write down the 0. Now that one again, we carry it next to the number. We are carrying it next to the number. So that 1 plus 4 is what? 5 plus 3 is what? 8. The last one is 2 plus 1 is what? 3. And this becomes the answer to adding 2, 4, 7, 8 plus 1, 3, 2, 5. You see the rule? We started from the right hand side. We started from the unit, not from the left hand side. We started from the right hand side. So, and from the unit. You see, if you check very well, we see this is under units, this is under tens, this is under thousand. You can see it's arranged properly, it's arranged carefully. It's among the rules that will guide you in adding and subtracting number. Thank you. Now let's go to example number 2. Now let's solve this example number 3. is the exam questions. A school has 2,500 pupils, 1,475 are girls. How many are boys? So now solution. Now just as we solved in the previous example, we'll put them in vertical form. So it will be 2,500 minus what? Minus 1,475. So we are subtracting. So we are going to use the borrow method. So that one, the borrow method, the one we are borrowing, the one that we are borrowing, we take it as 10. So let's start from here. So 0 minus 5 is what? Impossible. So you borrow 1 from here, and that number there is 0. You cannot borrow from 0 because there's nothing. So you come to 5 here. So you borrow 1 from here. That one that you borrow is 10. So you add 10 plus 0 is what? 10. Then you go to this one, the next one. Now here is 10. Then you borrow 1 from that 10. You add this to this 0 here. This one become what? 10 also again. Now here become 9 because you already borrowed the 1. So this one will now be 10 minus 5. So what is left is 9. So 9 here, 9 minus 7 is what? 2. Remember we borrow 1 from this 5 here, which is, we take it as 10. So what it will be left here is 4. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Then 2 minus 1 is what? 1. And this becomes the final answer. So if we find it difficult again, pause this video and watch it over and over again. By the time you do so, you will fully understand it. So the next question I'm going to give, you're going to pause this video and you're going to send the answer in the comment section. Now I said earlier, you're going to pause the video and solve this question. Number 1, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1,452. You add. Number 2, 4,000 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So solve it and send your answer to the comment section or the answer to our WhatsApp group. I'm waiting to receive your answer. Now let's do recap. At the end of the day, we're able to learn how to arrange very well. 2, we start our calculation from the units, parts, and also borrow carefully. So the next video is going to be multiplication, and if you hate times before, now with this new trick I'm going to teach you, it will be the thing of the past. Until I see you in my next class. Bye bye.